try to close. State transition matrix. The topic is state transition matrix. State transition matrix. State variable analysis. State variable analysis is the topic. State variable analysis is the topic. Okay. So here we will have equation, state model. State model. State model means x dot of t equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t, and output equation y of t equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t. Okay. So this is about the this is about the state model. So first equation is called state equation. These two together called the state model. First equation is state equation and the second equation is output equation. Second equation is output equation. Now four matrices are there. Four matrices are there, and these are, here you can see this is the input. U means this is the input. X means this is the state variable. This is the state variable, and then y means this is the output. Y means output. X dot means first order. Okay, state vector. This is called state vector. Okay, these are the terminologies. Then A, B, C, D. These are the matrices. A, B, C, D. These are the matrices. Okay. So next, all the formulas first I will write. Then I will tell you what possible questions are um, uh, maybe coming. Okay, for any type of exam. Now I will go with the state vector. State vector equation is x dot of t equal to x of 0, okay, x of 0 pi of t, and inverse Laplace of this plus b into si minus a whole inverse. Okay. uh, C B plus D. Si minus a whole inverse. Okay. Plus D will come. Here B, this is C into Si minus a whole inverse. Okay. Somewhere I am going wrong, I understand. This equation, just 1 minute. This part I will erase. Input will come, U of t will come. Inverse Laplace of b into si minus a. Okay, u of s will come. I will copy that little later. Okay. Here u of s will come. Here x of 0 will come. Here si minus a is also there. Okay, si minus a is also there, but b into si minus a. I will copy that little later, please. Now, coming to x of 0, this is called initial state. Initial state. Then u of s means Laplace transform for the input. Laplace transform for the input. Okay. Now, when x of 0, 0 means, I am telling you, when this initial state is 0. When this initial state is 0, first term will vanish. So, the second term is called zero state response. Okay. When input is 0, I will use another color. When input is 0, second term will completely vanish. So the first term is called zero input response. First term is called zero input response. Okay. So total response equal to zero input response plus zero state response. Okay. So this is second thing. First one, I gave you the state model equation above the red color line, and below this state vector. This is state vector equation. From state vector equation, we are having zero input response, zero state response. Substitute, simplify. X of 0 will be given in the question. Pi of t I will discuss in the next slide. And in the second term, you please check in the textbook or class notes. What is the second term? Okay. B into Si minus a whole inverse, D into U of S, something is there. Okay. I should not write wrong. It will be circulated later. Now coming to pi of t, this is called state transition matrix. Okay. This pi of t This pi of t is called state transition matrix. Okay, another 3 minutes I will try to close. Now I am going with pi of t. State transition matrix pi of t. The formula is inverse Laplace of si minus a whole inverse. Okay, and it can also be e power at. Then the properties. Okay, this is state transition matrix. State transition matrix. Now the properties of state transition matrix. 5 properties are there. Properties of pi of t. Properties of pi of t. Okay, 5 properties are there. You please check. Now if I write all of them, I remember if I write all of them, it will be time taking for you. You please check the notes. This is also properties of pi of t. Is there transfer function formula. Transfer function, what is the formula? C into, okay, C into si minus a whole inverse b plus d plus d. Okay, this is first term and this is second term. So matrices will be given abcd matrices. Based on that you have to operate. This is the transfer function in state variable analysis. Okay, then lastly controllability observability is there. Controllability, what is the formula for controllability? Q equal to m equal to something I have written. Okay, and observability, observability observability. So it is M equal to C transpose, A transpose, C transpose, and then A transpose whole square C transpose, and so on. A transpose whole power n minus 1 C transpose. You have to find a matrix like this. Okay, and then find the det of M. Find the det of M. If the det is 0, it is not observable. We cannot do anything. Okay, not observable. If the det is not equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, not observable. If it is not equal to 0, system is observable. Okay, abcd matrices will be given. You know how to multiply, how to calculate the transpose and all. Now controllability, the matrix is b, ab, a square b, and so on, like this. A power n minus 1 into b. You find the matrix first, then you go with the magnitude, the det of the matrix Q. Then if this det is equal to 0, system is not controllable. 0 means we cannot do anything. 0 is 0. We cannot go with any analysis. System is not controllable. Okay. If it is not 0, if the det is not 0, then we can do some analysis on the system. System is controllable. Okay. This is about controllability, observability in the last unit. Matrix ABCD will be given in the question either in differential equation form, either in matrix form. Okay, so if you have differential equation form, so d x1 of t by dt. Okay, dt equal to minus 3 times x1 of t plus 5 times u of t. Then dx2 of t by dt equal to minus 5 times, okay, x1 of t plus 2 times x2 of t. Okay, if the then y of t equal to 3 times x1 of t plus 5 times x2 of t plus 2 times u of t. These are the equations given. Write state model. Write state model. What you will do? Write state model means you have to write the matrix form. Okay, how to write the matrix form? So x1 dot, okay, x2 dot equal to, okay, see the first equation. Here we will have x1, x2, and here 2 by 2 matrix should come, plus 1 matrix should come, and u of t should come. So here minus 3, x2 no, not present, 5 is there, u of t in the first equation. Second equation, x1 coefficient is minus 5, x2 coefficient 2, u is not there. This is state equation. This is state equation completed. Okay, next second one is output equation. Similarly we will have x1, x2, and then u will be there, u of t will be there. Here it is a row matrix, 3 times x1 and 5 times x2. Okay, and here 2 times 1 by 1. So here dimension is 1 by 1. So 1 row 2 column, 2 rows 1 column, 1 by 1 will come. 1 row 1 column, 1 row 1 column, 1 by 1 will come. matrix dimension should match. This is the state model from given differential equations. From given differential equations. Okay. And similarly, now write state model. Find pi of t, which means a matrix alone you have to take. Find the transfer function. Okay. Then find zero state response. Find zero input response. Okay. Check controllability, observability, everything you can do. Controllability, okay, observability. This is our question. This is our question for the given differential equation in state model. Above the yellow color line is the question. Above the yellow color line is the question. We have written state model. Okay, matrix form we have written. Next, what we have to do? This is matrix A. This is matrix B. Okay, this is matrix C. This is matrix D. So pi of t means what is the formula? Solution. Pi of t means what is the formula? So inverse Laplace of Si minus a whole inverse. And then transfer function, what is the formula? C into Si minus a whole inverse, then B plus D. Check the formulas one more time. Zero state response, what is the formula? Zero input response, what is the formula? Do it. Then controllability, what is the formula? Matrix A, B are required for calculation. Then find the delta. Then observability, what is the formula? C transpose A transpose is required. Put in the matrix, find the delta. Okay. So all these are formulas. All these are formulas. Direct formula substitution. Only thing you should be able to write the matrix form from the given equations, differential equations, matrix form of state model we have written here. Okay, matrix form of state model we have written here. State equation, output equation together is called state model. Okay, so then we are identifying what is matrix A, B, C, D. Then we are putting directly substitute simplify in the formula. Okay, so this is about all the short answer possible questions for internal. For final exam, okay, for final exam, they may give you transfer function, and they may ask you to draw the signal flow graph. Then they may ask you to write the state model. Okay, write state model from the given. Okay, write state model from the given transfer function. They may give you block diagram. They may give you block diagram. Write the state model. They may give you signal flow graph. Write the state model. They may give you differential equation. Okay, differential equation. Write the state model. They may give you electrical circuit, RLC. Last class we have done circuit, electrical circuit, RLC, or any other circuit. Write the state model. Okay, first thing you have to identify the variables, state variables, then state model is very easy. Okay, these are the possible long answer question, and you may expect such thing in the final exam, not in internal test. Okay, so transfer function is given. What is state model? With this I am closing. With this I am closing the fifth unit. Thank you. Almost it is exceeded the time. Thank you very much.